How to make hot pizza at home? Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing hot pizza at home. Are you ready for this deliciousness? Let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is Mohammed Waqas and today I'm bringing you a special recipe that will make your mouth water, hot pizza. This is an easy to follow step-by-step guide so anyone can make a delicious pizza right in their own kitchen. The first step is to gather all of the ingredients you'll need. You'll need all-purpose flour, yeast, sugar, salt, olive oil, and warm water. You'll also need some type of cheese, your favorite toppings, and tomato sauce or pizza sauce. Next up is the fun part, making the dough. In a large bowl mix together the flour, yeast, sugar, and salt. Then slowly add in the olive oil and warm water until everything has been combined into a nice dough ball. Knead it for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place it back in the bowl and let it rise for about an hour until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, you can start rolling it out on a lightly floured surface until it's approximately 12 inches in diameter. Place it onto a greased baking sheet or pizza stone if you have one available. Spread on your tomato sauce or pizza sauce, then top with cheese and whatever other toppings you like best. Be sure not to overfill the pizza as this can cause sogginess when cooking. Finally, bake your pizza at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown on top. Let cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving hot. And there you have it, homemade hot pizza that tastes just like from your favorite pizzeria. So next time you're craving something cheesy, give this recipe a try. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Thanks again for watching, see ya soon. Thanks for watching.